So you're in this funky situation where you need to make $400 fast. You need to pay your rent next week. You need to pay by the end of the month. What do you do? What do you do when you are in this position where you need to make $400 fast? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make $400 today, how to make it tomorrow, but most importantly, I'm going to show you how to consistently earn $400 or more per day so that you do not put yourself in this position ever again. Hey guys, my name is PLR Newman. If you like to know how to make money online and offline and how not to worry about money ever again, make sure you subscribe to this channel, make sure you like this video, and let's get started. Now, if you are in urgent need to make $400 by tomorrow for whatever reason, then there is another video that I did record for you. It's going to show you jobs that pay you cash on the spot. Now, Craigslist is a solid website to check for these types of immediate cash opportunities, so make sure you check that video out. I will link it down below in the video descriptions. So with that out of the way, let's go into one of my favorite ways to earn money fast. Now, if you regularly watch my videos, then you have undoubtedly heard me talk about bank bonus offers. Now, banks such as Wells Fargo, TD Bank, Chase Bank, SoFi Bank, they all offer new customer checking account sign up bonuses. Now, some offers such as the SoFi Bank bonus offer can make you upwards of $325 for simply opening up a new account and initiating a minimum direct deposit. Now, Citizens Bank at the time of this recording has a $400 sign up bonus. Now, these offers are one way banks use to attract new customers. So I would suggest looking for the highest paying bank bonuses and completing the necessary requirements in order to earn the free money. Now, I've earned thousands of dollars doing this, and I do have a list of sign up bonus offers that you can check out. I will link that down below. Okay, so this next method is a bit different. It's not available for everyone, but if it is an option for you, then you should definitely check it out. Now, you can make money fast by selling your plasma. Now, when you donate your plasma, what you are doing is you are helping the well-being of patients who rely on plasma-derived therapies for their medical needs. So by donating plasma, you're not only supporting your own financial well-being, but you're also helping others, right? And so in my book, that's a win-win situation. Now, typically earnings range between $20 to $50 per donation session, but some centers do offer higher rates for new donors, potentially exceeding $800 in total. So it's definitely worth a try. Method number 3 is to start an AI side hustle. Now, making money with AI is a real thing. I do it. I have an AI assisted blog that earns me money every single day, but I'm not the only one. There are lots of people that are cashing in on the opportunities that AI presents. Now, some AI side hustles, such as starting an AI powered YouTube automation channel, that takes a lot longer to get going and for you to make money. But other AI opportunities, such as adding captions and stock video footage to short form videos, are a much easier way for you to make $400 fast. Now, how do you do it? Well, the first thing you want to do is you want to sign up for AI tools such as Submagic that will do all of the work for you. It will add stock video footage, it will add graphics, it will add sound effects to short form videos. Then simply go to your local businesses and record short TikTok style videos that they can post to their social media pages, upload those videos to Submagic, and then sell them the AI edited videos to them. That is how you can make $400 fast right now. Oh, and by the way, here's an added tip to make even more money with Submagic. You can go to Fiverr, set up a profile, and then start offering your services for short form video editing. Lots of people are doing this because it's such an easy way to make money with AI. Go ahead, set up a profile, sign up for Submagic, and there you go. That's $400 fast. Look, let's not forget that one of the fastest and easiest ways to make $400 in one day is by quickly selling your unwanted items through platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist. You can even have a yard sale. Now, if you need quick money for rent, then this is going to be a solid way for you to get that money. Now, consider selling high value items that you no longer use, such as tablets, gaming consoles, designer clothing, high-end watches. All of that stuff is going to rake in a lot of money. Now, if you have rare or valuable books or manuscripts, then you can also sell those to collectors, rare bookstores, or auction houses specializing in rare books. Method number 5 is to pawn your jewelry. Now, if you are completely out of options and you're in a bind, then this is going to be a realistic solution for you. So it's a way to get immediate cash without involving credit checks or waiting for any sort of loan approvals. Plus, you get to keep ownership of your items once you repay the loan. Now, while this is not going to be a long-term fix, it can help you bridge financial gaps when you are in a pinch. Just make sure to only pawn items that you're willing to part with temporarily, and be sure that you can repay the loan back to retrieve your belongings later on. Method number 6 is to do gig economy jobs. Now, there's no shortage of gig apps that will pay you to complete micro tasks. Now, you may have already heard of Uber Eats and Lyft. Those are the popular ones, but there are other gig apps that offer instant pay options, which include Field Agent and Observa. Now, these gig apps will pay you to complete small tasks in and around your area, and they will generally pay you within 24 hours. Now, I've used both apps to make $100 in a day in my spare time. Now, my experience has been great so far. I still complete jobs with them today, even years after I first downloaded them. But back when I first started using these gig apps, there were significantly more job opportunities available. But these days, the options are, let's say, quite limited, right? Now, my best recommendation for you is to sign up for multiple gig economy apps so that you can earn a combined $400 fast with all of these apps. This next method is for my people who want to consistently earn $400 each and every single day and no longer worry about money. Now, this is going to require some hustle out of you, but if you don't mind a little bit of upfront work, then this is going to be the side hustle that I recommend you start right now. Now, this is called PLR affiliate marketing. Now, in the digital marketing world, PLR stands for private label rights. Now, a lot of people don't realize that you can purchase the private label rights of a digital product that someone else created, and you can sell it under your own brand name, give it any price you want, and you get to keep 100% of the profits. How cool is that, right? For example, the software company ClickFunnels, which a lot of online entrepreneurs use, they offer a product called PLR Funnels, where you can purchase the private label rights to that product. They will give you the finished product that you can sell at any price point that you want, but they will also, in addition, give you all of the marketing material that you need to sell that product. So you'll get the sales letters, you'll get the upsells, you'll get all of the email sequences written for you, and all you have to do is change the payment link and you get to keep 100% of the profits. So you get the finished product, you sell it for $400, and you hit your money goal today. Now, if you are interested in the private label rights of the PLR Funnels product from ClickFunnels, then I will post that link underneath this video in the video descriptions. Okay, let me give you an easy one. Now, this is something that you can do right from where you're sitting right now, and that is trying your luck with Webull. Now, Webull is a smartphone app where you can buy and sell stocks. It's similar to the Robinhood app, so it's basically a platform where people who want to invest their money in the stock market can do so easily without needing any sort of a traditional broker or going through any sort of complicated paperwork. So here's my question for you. How lucky would you say that you are? Because did you know that if you are lucky enough, you can earn more than $400 in free stock shares from Webull? Well, today is going to be your day to find out. Webull offers new customers who sign up with a referral link up to 20 free stocks worth up to $30,000. All you need to do is sign up for a free account, deposit any amount, even just $1, and you'll be awarded free stock shares. Now, once you get your free stocks, you can sell them and transfer the money to your bank account. Now, I will place my Webull referral link down below in the descriptions of this YouTube video. Good luck to you. Hey guys, so this is just a small sampling of how you can make $400 fast. Now, if you want the longer list, then I did write that list on my blog. You can check it out. You're seeing it on your screen right now. Make sure that you do something that is feasible for you. And if you want to make sure that you are consistently earning $400 or more per day, then make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.